Hey guys, what's going on? So now I'm going to show you to make this origami cross that I just designed. Check it out. So this is actually called an origami tessellated cross, and it's actually related to that tessellated ninja star that I taught recently. And yep, and this is pretty much just like that, but it's a cross shape. And yeah, and what's really cool about it is that when you fold this model, you can put as many stages on there as you like. And yeah, so this one's only 3 stages. So the cross, and then there's one stage right there, and then there's that one. And yeah, so in this video I'm just going to show you how to fold 3 stages because that's easiest. And alright, want to learn how to fold it? Ready, set, here goes. Okay, so here's what the model looks like up close. So this is a tessellated cross, and so this is 3 stages, 1, 2, 3. And yep, this is what the back looks like. And yeah, and it's pretty cool. And now I'm going to show you how to fold it. So here goes. So for this model, I'm going to use a 6-inch square of kami. But you can use any type of square that you have. So, let's begin white side up, and let's fold in half. Now warning, this is a rather challenging model, so if you're new to folding, I recommend trying something easier first. But if you're up for the challenge, then let's continue. Alright. And unfold, and fold to the crease. And rotate like this, and fold this in. Alright, now fold this to the top. We're gonna make an 8x8 grid of journalist creases, by the way. And fold this edge to here. And now fold these edges to the crease. Alright, and now fold in half like this. Okay. Unfold. And now we're going to reverse all the creases, so whatever side the first crease is a valley and the second one is a mountain, keep that side up. So let's fold 2 units up, so we're reversing the mountain fold like this, and then 1 unit down, so we're reversing that valley. Alright, and make a paper fan by doing that. So, 2 up, 1 down, and then turn over and fold up like this. Alright, and now completely unfold. Alright, and now let's do that in the other direction. And I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this part. Alright, once you did that, now we're ready to start. Well, there's still some more pre-creasing we have to do, so what we're going to do is, let me get my pencil real quick. Okay, so find the middle square, so it's right here. I'm going to draw it in so you can see. Alright, so there's the middle square, I hope you can see that. Okay, so what we're going to do is, so yeah, white side up, by the way. And we're going to make a diagonal mountain fold right here, and right here, and also right here. Alright, and now I'm going to draw the rest of these in so you can see. Okay, like this. So these are, so the middle square are going to be valley folds, and the rest of the creases are going to be mountains. So let's go and start pinching. Well, let's make these diagonal mountain folds first. So you could just pinch like this, but I'm actually going to turn over on this side and fold. I'm going to fold this point to this intersection. So that's the second intersection. Like this, and you can only crease in the middle right here. Just like that. Just 2 segments. And do that all the way around. Okay, just like this. Alright, now turn back on this side. And now comes the hard part. So this is the hard part and kind of confusing part too. But I'll do my best to explain it to you. So this is actually pretty much why this model is so challenging, because these parts, they're kind of confusing. But I will do my best. Okay, so we're gonna pinch along the existing creases here. Like this. And now turn over on this side. And let's just kind of just form the folds. Pinching these. And then at this point, let's just pinch right here too. And this is also kind of challenging. Okay. So now, at this point, so let's take this part and fold it up like this. And then pinch right here. And do that all the way around. Yep, and like I said before, this is a pretty challenging model. It may look easy to fold, but it's not. These kind of models are best for advanced folders, like I am. Okay, so at this point, let's just kind of so now right here, let's open up here. And then squash this down. Alright? And do that all the way around. So, let's just kind of watch me do it. Just open here. And squash it like that. Okay. Yeah. So notice we're actually making water bomb bases right here too. Okay, and now at this point, flatten it against the table like this. Make sure it's really flat. Alright, that's what it looks like. Okay, and now turn over, and now we're going to blend this square. So, fold the corners in like this. Alright, that's what it looks like. Alright, and now we're going to do is we're going to take this point and fold it to here. I guess I can zoom in a little bit more. And then do that right here too. Alright, unfold. And now we're going to take this part, we're going to open it up. And we're going to kind of pedal fold it like this. Just like that. Alright, now do that all the way around. So here we go. And I'm going to fast forward this part. Alright, now once you did that, now what we're going to do is we're going to take this edge and fold it to the middle. And same right here too. And do that all the way around. Alright. And now let's unfold here. And now comes the part where we can decide how many stages we want to make. So it'll be easiest if you just, do two. This is like 2 stages. Just you can. So here we go. So let's blend this square like this. Fold the corners to the middle. Alright, and unfold. And now if you just want 2 stages, the cross and this, go ahead and, fold these corners behind like this inside. But if you want to add more stages, then here's what we're going to do. So this is just like in the Ninja Star. So we're going to open here and we're going to sink these corners. So take it and just kind of spread it out like that into a square and flatten it. And then now make a water bomb base like that. And now do that with the remaining 3. Alright, like that. And now let's blend the square one more time. Okay, and now unfold. And now we're gonna tuck those corners behind, like this. Just take them and just mount and fold them in. Now if your paper is really small, or whatever, you can use a pair of tweezers and do this. But these are big enough I can actually use my bare hands and do this. And it may not come to a clean point right there, but it's fine. It still looks really nice. Alright, and now turn over, and let's refold these. Just this one for now. And take this and fold it up right over that edge, like this. Or in other words, just fold it to the middle. Okay, and now, we're gonna stick one corner inside the other. Well, inside one side right here. There's a little pocket right there, just stick it in like that. And same on this side. Stick it under there, like that. Alright, and now we're gonna do the same thing with the two sides. Don't do it with this one, just do it to 3 of them. Like this. I'll start right here. Fold to the middle. Alright. And now stick the left one in the slot. Now this one on the right is a little bit different. This one you have to kind of tuck it in. You have to kind of wrap it over the edge like that. Alright, and the same on this side. So stick it in there like that. And then just do it like that. Okay, now for the bottom one, let's fold here. And let's just kind of close this off so it's not a raw edge. So just fold it up just a tad. It's to taste. Alright, and now at this point just kind of flatten it, make sure it's really flat. And once you did that, your origami tessellated cross is complete. Yeah, it's a pretty cool model. And yeah. Alright, well this was an epic tutorial. Hope you guys had some luck folding that. And yeah, I think it's pretty cool. And yep, so hope you guys like that, and make sure you subscribe. And remember, if you made it, I'd like to see demos of it. And yeah. Alright, see you guys later.